Alright, let's look at the homework 8.3, problem number 5. Alright, this is the first part. We say total mass of the system, so this is pretty simple. 3 plus 2 plus 5, so that's 10. Alright, so let's submit. Alright, I came back and looks like we got the first part correctly. Alright, let's look at the part 2. Alright, so we want to find the moments about the x-axis with respect to the x-axis. So we would have m sub I, and then this is a little tricky one, so it's going to be y sub I, right? And if you want moments with respect to the y-axis, so you have m sub I and then x sub I, right? So let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly as well. Alright, so part 3. Alright, so we want to find the moments in with respect to x-axis and the moments with respect to y-axis. Alright, I'm gonna just bring GeoGebra so I can do the addition a little bit easily. Alright, so here. If you want to find, let's find moments with respect to the x-axis first. So m1, so it's a 3 times, and then you want the y1, so which is going to be negative 6. Right? Then m2 is 2, and then y2 would be 2 as well, and then m3 is 5, and the y3 is 4. So hit that, so it came out to be 6, so I put 6 there. Alright, then if you want to do the moments with respect to the y-axis, so you have m1, which is 3 again, but now we use the x-coordinate, so it's 2, and then you have a 2 times, and x-coordinate would be 3, a negative 3, and then 5 times, x-coordinate is 3, so hit enter. It came out to be 15, so I put 15 there. Alright, so let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and we got the part 3 correctly. So if you want to find x bar, so we take let's see, the moment with respect to y and divide by the total mass, which was 10. So this would be 1.5, and then y would be 0.6 because 6 divided by 10. Right, let's submit for testing. Alright, actually I messed it up. It says in terms of mx, so it has m sub y, right? Then you have to divide by little m, right? Then here, this is going to be m sub x, and then divide by little m. I think that's what they're looking for. Let's check again. Submit. Alright, it came back and we got the part 4 correctly. Alright, then we have, let's see, x bar is going to be 15 divided by 10, so 1.5, comma, and then 6 divided by 10, so 0.6. Alright, let's submit. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.